My name is Jiali Chen. I'm from Taiwan, and I'm the Mandarin Chinese teacher here at the MJPRU. And I saw some people, they are carrying the yoga mat, so I asked them, hey, where can I do yoga? They say, we do yoga here every day. So after that, the next day I joined. For now, already, I think 4 months now. Because here is like a morning class, right? So I think every morning when we just wake up, and our body also need to wake up. So one benefit for me, I think, is every time I come here, and I feel a lot of energy for my work, for the whole day actually. And then also my digestion problem is also solved. Because in the yoga class, we try a lot of positions, right? And then the teachers always tell us, oh, you do this, you do that, and it will help to move your body and also release some air from my stomach. Because I'm foreigner, right? So I come here and I get to know a lot of Indian people, and the Indian people are very friendly. So our class and everybody come to see me, will greet to me, and then the teacher very patient, right? And then everyone very helpful. Yeah, I'm very happy to come here. Now I think yoga is part of my daily routine. Even when I'm traveling on the train, I try to stretch, and then the people, when they see me, they say, "Oh, where did you learn yoga?" And I will say, "Hey, I learned it from my university. I have one class, and I practice every day." And then a lot of Indian people, when they see me doing yoga, they are also like very surprised, and we start a conversation. And I think, oh, it's also a good way to meet people and to know people. So I have learned like a cat pose, cow pose, rabbit pose, and warriors. And every morning, right, we do like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like a pray for the sun, right? And then a lot of like routines. Teachers are very helpful. And every morning, we will start like a little bit like a chanting, and we pray for the God, and then we start to do some warm up. And then the teachers, I think that his explanation is very clear, even though I don't understand Hindi. And he tried to explain in English, so I can understand where I put my hands, where I put my legs, and how to do the posture. So I think the teacher is very professional and then patient. Yes, I strongly recommend this course should for everybody. It doesn't matter you are young or you are middle-aged or you are old. Because most of the postures, I think, doesn't matter how old are you, right? I remember when I just came here, a lot of posture I cannot do. But now I'm more flexible than before. So I think this is also like a very good benefit. And of course, it's the teacher's teaching, right? So I every day improve a little bit, every day improve a little bit. So I'm very thankful for my teachers.
Thank you, Jiali.
Thank you.